On today's adventure, I will be making some jalapeno poppers. I've never made jalapeno poppers before, so we'll see how this comes out. Cheers. For the jalapeno poppers, I am using some Monterey Jack cheese. Got some cream cheese there. Got about 8 jalapenos and some bacon. Let's get making. All right, first off, starting with the jalapeno, gotta cut this guy right here, then cut him in half. Like that. And then take the knife and try to de-seed it. I am horrible at this, but yeah, let's see if I can get de-seeded without ruining it. Alright. Pull that out. Yum. Get all the seeds out. Get the seeds out. Move the seeds out of the way. Ta-da. It should be good enough. There is one. Now time for this guy. Just kind of, I don't mind the seeds personally, so these are for me, but let's try to get most of the seeds out. All right, 1 or 2 left there. Cool. All right, we got our first jalapeno done. Move all this out of the way, and I will definitely speed up this process for you guys. All right, so I got all the jalapenos cut up and de-seeded for the most part. Now we're gonna take this Monterey Jack and we're gonna shred it because I want some cheese and jalapeno poppers. And of course, I don't have any shredded cheese, so we're gonna just kind of do this. Oh, I hate shredding cheese. And this shredder sucks. Okay, I got my cheese in here with the cream cheese, and we're gonna mix it up as much as I can. Can I see it? Oh, it's better angle. There we go. I think that's the right spoon for it. Let's just do a regular spoon. Oh my gosh, it was just not. There we go. There we go. Trying to mix it up. It's not liking me. You know what? F it. Should we just use our hand? No, because it'll be sticky. Golly, I think I should have let the cream cheese warm up a little bit. So longer than I did because this is very difficult to work with. Got this all mixed up as good as I can get it. See, got a little mixing spoon. I think this would be probably best to get everything in there. All right, wish me luck. This may be a pain. Let's see if I can spread it in. Get the cream cheese in there like so. And a little bit more. All right. That guy, put you there. His friend. Get him covered too, maybe. Oh, it just wants to stick to your hand and everything. Come on. All right. Cool. Got the first one ready to go. As you can see, for the bacon. I will see you when I have them all done. All right, I got the jalapeno stuffed. You can see them right there. Oh yeah. And oh, almost dropped you guys because I'm a klutz. All right, let's figure this out. I'll grab a strip of bacon. I'll lay it out like that. Grab you and take it and start rolling. I think this is what you're supposed to do. Try to wrap up a lot of it. Oh, that's not nice and thick. There. Over here, I have my tray, so I'll go ahead and put them there. I don't know how good these are going to turn out, but you know what? We'll figure this out together, right? I have pulled the jalapeno poppers out of the oven. This is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, cooked for about 25 minutes. Here we go. Give it a bite. Ooh, hot. Oh, those are so good. That is delicious. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I made these. Holy smokes. Take another bite. Hot. Hot. Temperature wise, they're hot. Spice wise, not so hot. But they are very, very freaking yummy, and I highly recommend jalapeno poppers. Great for sports, you know, great for watching sports. Ooh, I got a piece of bacon. Some jalapeno and cream cheese. Bailey tried to steal one. Little butt. Oh, yeah. Now, are these the best jalapeno poppers ever? No, definitely not the best ever. But, you know, it's jalapeno popper. You can't really screw them up too much, even though the process of me doing it, you know, was a little odd. But it was fun. I absolutely enjoyed making this. And if you're new here, hit the subscription button, leave a like, and also, guys, leave a comment of what you would like to see me cook next. But with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!